I'm going to show you how, just a small little snippet of how, in 2007, 14 years ago, we made the song Chak De India. Let me tell you a little story first. We failed, just like I said, we failed six times. The first song, when I read the script, it was a brilliant story, very emotional, very patriotic, very lot of layers, sports and team spirit, and vagera, vagera, vagera. Too many amazing layers the film had. So we started off with a very patriotic approach, and I thought this was the best song we made so far, for a beautiful film. But the director didn't like it. The producer didn't like it. They said, no, it's too patriotic. We want something energetic. My fourth attempt, our fifth attempt, our sixth attempt, we failed. We failed, we failed, we failed. I was ready to leave the film. My brother Suleiman pushed me that we must try another attempt. Then I called the lyricist. The lyricist came and wrote, Kuch kariye, nas nas meri khole, kuch kariye. So I was like, okay, now let's repeat kuch kariye, nas nas meri khole, kuch kariye, something, 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 kuch kariye. And that's how we started constructing the song. I was just playing, and his words just seemed to go with what I was playing. Kuch kariye, kuch kariye, nas nas meri khole, hai kuch kariye. And of course, I knew that this is, they wanted something. Everybody wanted a very like energetic track and energetic kind of a vibe. Uh, and but at the same time, the melody had to be very emotional. Kuch kariye, kuch kariye, bas bas bada bole, ab kuch kariye. So yeah, this was. I mean, literally, it was like building blocks. We started off with just one line, second line, and as I was playing the melody, Jaideep was writing more lines. I knew one thing, that we had to land up to Chak De, which was Chak De India. So Chak De, oh Chak De India. And that Chak De, Chak De India. That note, I knew that, when we get Sukhwinder Singh to sing it, we'll have that energy, we'll have that power, that we'll have that sound of India. So as you can see, there was a now, of course, you can hear the sarangi as the main thing. But as we were building the song, and I was playing changes, Suleiman made the pattern, and I realized that of course it has to have a lot of emotion and a lot of beats and a lot of power up, uh, mixed with the emotion. So we had like a bass line which was really strong in the song, and it So these things, when you're building a song, it's very important that your elements that you choose are clean, and at the same time, it has a very very specific importance. Like this particular bass line is very simple. The song is in E, so it's just a very simple. And this melody, this bass line, I was singing in my head. It's important, if you can break all your instruments that you put in a song, if you can sing them, because when you sing them, it becomes clearer in your head. So like things like that, when you start making music, it's important to make it like how you're making a building, like you're constructing things, you're constructing elements. Every small little thing adds a lot of emotion and a lot of power, but sometimes when you put too many things, it can become a clutter, it can become a khichdi. So there are subtle instruments, like there is a santoor that comes in, as you see on my screen here, and that santoor is from my Logic instrument. It's from this EXS24. It's called santoor. You have a lot of sounds. I mean, I'm sure you guys have different instruments and different things. And there's a little orchestra section playing also where using violins and violas and and cello, of course. And together it sounds like that. Oh. Then there is another string movement, as you can see here. Like, I'll just play this part. Now, of course, as you make music, you realize that it's very, very important to be able to sing each part, because that is a great way of for music to be like come together as one. And when you listen to the song, you don't listen to this layer, but it's right at the back, but it gives a great, great feeling. And similarly, every instrument that has been put in this song has a lot of meaning and purpose. So these are little elements that made the song, and the reason why I'm going through all these elements for you to understand what actually went down in making this song. These are very important small musical sections of this song. The reason why I'm going through all this worksheet of Chak De India is, one thing is to construct the song, to make the melody, to create the song, to be able to make the melody and the lyrics, and the second thing is the production and the instrumentation part of it, which is very, very important. It what brings the song to life. But most importantly, the melody should be such that you should be able to sing it or play it. Everything is a process. There is lyrics, and but once you make a great song, it's there forever, and you leaving back history. And like I said earlier, I like to compose a song which is a good song rather than a hit song, because when you make a good song, there's a huge chance that it'll become a hit.